Angie, Treasured Vintage, bringing you another garden update at the request of my friend Leslie and some other people that like to see my garden. So this is hanging on pretty well. It's starting to get a little straggly, but it's still looking pretty good. It's been so hot, and today's not too bad, but I try to keep it deadheaded. It's not as easy when it's hot. We haven't had all that much rain. So here is the Vinca that's really blossomed out, and the beautiful phlox. I think the sun's going to come out and wash out the color here. Look at the pretty wave. This is my nicest wave. The other waves aren't doing as well as this one is. And I like this variety of Lantana. It seems to be the best. It's kind of a bicolor. It's not the real yellowy one, but it's kind of a yellow and a pale cream. And this bright eyes back here, finally blooming. It's really pretty. I have to get in here and get these weeds. They'll go crazy if I don't. Some of the coneflower left. The sweet autumn clematis is getting little buds on it. It'll be out soon. I have another one right here. It looks like I'm right in the shadow, aren't I? Yeah, it's fluffier than it was, so I just thought I'd do an update just for a minute or two and show you how it filled in. I'm really pleased with this King Kong zinnia. That's definitely on my list for next year, and the cut and come again zinnias are really nice, although I don't think I'll put them there because I want them away from that rose. They don't really go together. The rose needs to be there, and then something shorter behind it, maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe some more of these in a different color. I don't know yet. I'll have to think about it. These are the snow on the mountain. I pulled most of my cleome out. I have a purple one left and a purple one there. More snow on the mountain. I'll go down here to the mailbox bed. Look at it really quickly. I need to work on the Rudbeckia over there. Or, is it Rudbeckia? No, that's not it. I can't think of the name. Anyway, here's the purple. Needs some attention. That's a purple wave. I need to get in there and pinch off the dead. These are always nice. Always nice. Very little care needed for those narrow leaf zinnias. This King Kong zinnia here isn't doing as well. The zinnia back there isn't as big. And I really trimmed up the Itea, which I'm happy about. This finally started blooming. Stuck it in here in some chicken wire, kind of protect it. Really pretty flowers. Prettier up close than they are far away. And this Itea, you just have to come in here and get all the little stragglers that start coming up. Coneflower, I need to get all the ugly ones out of there. The black-eyed Susan looks great. This is having another small flush of bloom. Spirea. I don't know if this will bloom or not. This is the phlox that the deer or the rabbits, one of the two, kept eating. Looks good, but I don't know if it'll bloom. There's a tiny blooms. And let's see. So the hydrangea is starting to bloom. I love that. So darn pretty. It has a real slight smell. It's kind of sweet smell, but it's nothing, nothing really overwhelming. But just so pretty. Just so pretty. I really like that hydrangea. You have to wait a while for it to bloom, but it's a nice one. Some bugleweed, some other weeds. These are awful, just awful. I just can't get rid of those oxalis. No matter how many times I pull them. My husband looks like he has some tomatoes coming. And he just trimmed those. There's another tomato. Oh, what's back here? Well, same old back here. Not too much. This has grown up a little. Some more ferns, and I'm gonna move this. I want to move this perennial geranium out front. Get rid of some of the ones out front that aren't as nice. These have gotten bigger. A little shade area there with the pots. I just turned them around so they're not actually facing the pretty way right now, but I had to turn them because they needed turned. Painted fern, volunteers going crazy in there. And I finally did get a big hydrangea bloom. Really pretty one. It's a nice one. There's another one coming. The Chinese Astilbe is about done. The September charm is gonna come on pretty soon and bloom. The anemone September charm. This is a really nice coral bells. I love the color of that. I don't know what it is. And that pretty much does it. So that's the garden update. Thank you for joining, and I will see you on the next garden video. Thanks a lot. Bye for now. Have a great day. Be blessed. What is that little critter? Oh, it's down there. Now it's hiding. Oh. So I spied a little something when I was looking at my flowers. And he's just kind of hanging out. And as I was looking at him, he turned to look at me. Oh, he's shy. He doesn't want to look. I don't want to bother him because they're really good for the garden. And they're good little critters. It's a praying mantis. He was just kind of hanging, like his back legs were anchored, but his front legs were just kind of hanging in midair. It's funny. Funny little critter.